Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of off-roading and Jeep mods. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic, the best Jeep Gladiator front bumper. Get ready to upgrade your rig with our top picks. Number 1. Accessory front bumper, the ultimate game changer for your Jeep Gladiator. Crafted with precision and built to last, this beast of a bumper not only adds a rugged edge to your ride, but also offers unbeatable protection. Whether you're conquering off-road trails or cruising through the city, this front bumper means business. Its sleek design seamlessly complements the Gladiator's style, and the robust construction guarantees durability. Upgrade your Jeep's aesthetics and safeguard it from unexpected encounters. Unleash your inner adventurer with the accessory front bumper, where style meets strength. Number 2. OEDRO front bumper, the ultimate upgrade for your Jeep Gladiator. Sport utility vehicle collision crafted with precision, this beast of a bumper not only enhances your rig's rugged aesthetic but also amps up its off-road prowess. Made for Gladiator enthusiasts, it's a symphony of durability and style, ensuring your Jeep stands out on and off the trail. Whether you're conquering rocky terrain or turning heads in the city, OEDRO's got your back. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to the perfect blend of form and function. Elevate your Jeep game with OEDRO, where toughness meets sophistication. Number 3. Tiger Auto delivers a game-changer with their front bumper designed for the Jeep Gladiator. This beast of a bumper not only transforms the look of your ride, but also adds rugged durability. Crafted to perfection, it's a showstopper on the trails and the streets. The aggressive design is an attention magnet, making heads turn wherever you go. What's more, it's not just about looks. This bumper is built tough to handle the gnarliest off-road challenges. Tiger Auto nailed it with this one. It's a jaw-dropping upgrade for any Gladiator owner looking to conquer both style and terrain. Number 4. Rugged Ridge has truly outdone themselves with their front bumper, custom designed for the Jeep Gladiator. This rugged beauty not only enhances the Gladiator's aesthetics but also packs a punch when it comes to functionality. Crafted with precision, it exudes strength and durability, making it an absolute must-have for off-road enthusiasts. The sleek design seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's profile, giving your Jeep an aggressive yet refined look. But don't be fooled by its appearance. This bumper is a workhorse. It boasts remarkable protection, allowing you to conquer any terrain with confidence. Upgrade your Gladiator with the Rugged Ridge front bumper and unleash its full potential on and off the road. Number 5. Hook Road front bumper, the Gladiator's ultimate upgrade. This rugged beast not only amplifies your Jeep Gladiator's aesthetics but also elevates its off-road prowess. Crafted to perfection, it's a mean machine that's built to conquer the toughest terrains. The aggressive design screams power, while its robust construction guarantees protection. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. But what truly sets it apart is its versatility. It accommodates winches and off-road lights effortlessly. With Hook Road, you're not just driving, you're commanding attention and conquering trails like never before. Gear up for the adventure of a lifetime with the Hook Road front bumper. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best Jeep Gladiator front bumper, it's all about balancing functionality, durability, and style to suit your off-roading needs. Whether you prioritize heavy-duty protection or a sleek design, there's a perfect option out there for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision for your Jeep Gladiator.